Where are you going? Oh, you're smooching your dad?
Mwah. Mwah.
And you're crawling away. Where are you going? You're crawling backwards, girly girly. I know, you're supposed to be on the blanket. That's Zoe. Always in the way. Can you give me a smooch? Caroline, where's your smooch? Can I? There you go. Oh my goodness. You're so on your way to crawling. Okay.